Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Churigas Mama Saglit Channel, a fatiller o matarder. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin ang sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of May 15 hanggang May 21 for the sign of. For the sign of Libra. So Libra, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Libra signs ang ating mga hagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalisiksik liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advices sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Libra. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Libra signs ang ating mga hagilap? Tuklasin at bubulabugin natin. Angel spirit, let's give information po. So there's a Seven of Swords. Now there's a sneakiness. Now there's a something cheating lying on you. No? Meron dito nagsisinungaling behind your back. Or there's something spying, looking, watching at you. Na maraming sumusubaybay sa'yo. Na maraming nakatingin sa'yo. No? There's something betrayal, na lying. No? There's a cheating. No? At the same time, there's a Seven of Swords, something of secrets. No? Maraming misteryo. No? There's something guys with a Six of Swords with the transition. No? Kailangan mo nang umalis dyan. No? At magpakalayo-layo dahil sa mundong ginagalawan mo, puno ng kasinungalingan, puno ng panluloko. What is additional messages? And this is something the temperance, no? At the same time, guys, kailangan mo munang kumalma for a meantime. No? Kailangan mo malas dyan, pero kailangan mo pag-isipang mabuti. No? Kailangan mo liwanagin, unawain lahat ng bagay muna. No? Kailangan, kumbaga, klaruhin mo lahat. No? Bago ka mag-take ng decision. No, there's a perfect timing. No, may mga panahon talaga. Darating naman yan. And there's an Ace of Swords. Talagang puno ng toxic and negative talaga sa paligid mo. No? And this is something, the Sun card, maliliwanagan ka rin. Na may magandang at positibong kalalabasan to. No, lilinisin, aalisin sa'yo lahat. Lahat ng bagay na makakasira sa eksena mo. So, let's see what is additional messages. Represent with the Ten of Swords. Sabi ko na nga ba, may sumasabutahe talaga sa iyo. Now, there's something betrayal. Now, some of you, there's something a toxic environment, toxic co-workers, no? Toxic family. What is the Seven of Swords? The Seven of Swords represents the lovers. Oh my God, it's your jowa, husband, no? And housewife, no? Maaaring karelasyon mo tong nanloloko sa iyo or may third wheel, no? May third party. What is the Six of Swords? Represent what? It's either a cross-watcher out there, ha? Maaaring sa iyo tong reading na to o maaaring sa person mo, no? And this is something, the Queen of Cups, emotional healing. No? Maging kalmado ka muna, no? Sinasabi sa iyo na pag-isipan mabuti, maging kalmado ka, huwag ka masyadong pala desisyon, no? What is the Temperance? There is something, the Seven of Wands, proteksyonan mo yung sarili mo. Napangalagaan mo ang iyong desisyon. Huwag ka masyadong dito, negative. Kailangan titignan mo yung lighter side of the situation. What is the Eight of Swords? Represent with the Nine of Pentacles with security. Na magkaroon ka ng seguridad. Na magkaroon ka ng something security about sa finances mo. About sa sarili mo. No? What is the Sun card? Represent what? Represent with the Knight of Wands. No? Slowly but surely, na maging markinakon ka, wag kang padalos-dalos sa mga action and decisions mo. What is the Ten of Swords? Referencing with the Four of Wands. No, something celebration. Unti-unti ka rin makakaranas sa mga celebration dito. No? Some of you, there's some homecoming, family gatherings. No, there's a twin flame energy na maaaring soulmate and twin flame ka na person mo. What is additional messages? Why does something the Seven of Swords equals the Lovers? Referencing with the Five of Pentacles. No, some of you guys, no, nakakaranas ka dito ng financial crisis, financial loss. No, sinasabi sa'yo dito, maging aware ka. Na maaaring itong person mo, maaaring, kumbaga, may kinalaman sa eksena mo. Na maaaring nagkakaroon ng inside job. No, inuubos na pala lahat ng mga pinaghirapan nyo. Maging aware ka. What is the Six of Swords? The Queen of Cups. There's a Page of Swords. No, being curiosity. Alamin mo, tuklasin mo muna lahat. No? Kailangan maging mabusisi ka. Marami nakatingin sa'yo dito, marami sumusubaybay. There's a Six of Pentacles. Maging balance ka, how to manage and control your life, your resource of income, your relationship rather. Maging balance ka. There's something give and take. At the same time, maring ka baga, you are always a provider. No? Kaya protection naman yung sarili mo. Maring naaabuso ka rin dito. There's a Need of Swords, the Knight of Pentacles. Referencing with the Page of Pentacles. Investment. Invest wisely. No? Pangalagaan protection mo yung sarili mo dito dahil napapalibutan ka ng toxic. No? Maaaring kumbaga niloloko ka dito or binubudol ka dito about sa finances ng maaaring sariling tao mo, sariling person mo, jowa mo, asawa mo, ganon. What is the Sun card? Because the Knight of Wands. There's a Death card. No? There's something you're ending and you're beginning. Kailangan mo nang tapusin. No? Kailangan mo na unti-unting baguhin, no? Yung nakagawian, yung cycle. Sistema. What is the Ten of Swords? Because the Four of Wands. Represent the Queen of Swords. Clear the boundaries. No, linisin mo na. No, yung mga bagay na nakakasira sa eksena, lalo-lalo na sa pamilya mo. No, baka tuluyang itong maglaho. No, baka tuluyang bumagsak ang iyong hanap buhay, negosyo, trabaho. Pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo dito. What is additional messages for the outcome? For the outcome is the Page of Swords, Page of Cups. Listen to your intuition. Tama ka ng hinala. Tama ka na nararamdaman. There's something conclusion. No, may hinala ka, mayroon kang kumbaga nararamdaman. Nakakaiba. No, there's something that's open ako. Maging balance ka, physical, mental, and emotional. No, maging kalmado ka. There's the Full card. No, magkakaroon ka ng new beginning dito. No, magtiwala ka sa sarili mo. No, kailangan mo protection at pangalagaan yung sarili mo dito. At magtiwala ka sa sarili mo. Na maging balance ka. There is something, guys, with the Emperor. Maging mature ka and being grounded. No? Magkaroon ka ng authority sa lahat ng access mo. No? Ibig sabihin, pangalagaan, protectionan mo, wala kang ibang pakikinggan kundi ang sarili mo. And there's a Three of Cups. A celebration. No? Unti-unti ka na makakaranas sa mga celebration dito. No? Kaginawaan, there's a Star card for something of wish fulfillment and healing, recovery. No? Makakaranas ka ng kasaganahan dito. Additional messages tayo with the finances and career, love life, at kalusugan. Alamin na natin yan, guys. So, let's watch this. Finances and career represent what? There's a Five of Cups. Now, in reverse, something acceptance. Na may mga bagay na unti-unti nang natatanggap, na nagsisingkin na sa'yo lahat na nangyayari. Na pumapasok na sa'yo. There's something the High Priestess, na may revelasyon. Na marami kang bagay na malalaman dito. And there's a Full card for Leap of Faith. The Strength card, sorry. There's a Strength card with something confident. Kailangan mo lakasan ng loob mo, lakasan ang pakiramdam mo. Maraming misteryo sa likod dito, no? There is something, the word card, something trouble and success. Na magtatagumpay ka. No? Makakapag-travel ka dito, guys. Makakalis ka ulit. And there's a Magician with the power of God. No? Lahat ng mga bagay na mamamanifest mo. No? Kumbaga kaya mong bumuo ng plano or kaya mong patuparin yung mga plano mo, pangarap mo. And there's a Tower moment for a major changes. Malaki nga lang pagbabago ngayon about sa resource of income or finances mo. kailangan pangalagaan, protectionan mo ito. No? Pagdating naman tayo sa love life, there's the King of Swords. Kailangan mo na putulin yung mga bagay na nakakasira sa iyong relasyon, sa iyong pamilya. And this is something, the Ace of Swords with the breakthrough. Malalaman mo rin, there's something mystery, revelation. Now, there's a mental clarity. So, it means maliliwanagan ka. Malalaman mo. No? There's a Ten of Wands, may nagbibigay talaga ng balakid. No? At pabigat sa iyong relasyon. There's a King of Pentacles. Na magkaroon ka ng security at practicality. Na magkaroon ka ng practical security dito about sa relasyon mo. And there's a Four of Swords, no? Some of you, kumbaga, hindi ka na makatulog. No? Nag-overthink ka na. Paranoid ka na dito. And there's a Two of Cups with a partnership. May bagong pag-ibig na darating dito. There's an unconditional love. No? Meron dito ang unconditional love. So, let's see what is the additional messages about naman tayo sa kalusugan mo. There's a something Hermit card, no? The answer you need is here. The answer you need is here. Na masasagot na lahat ng katanungan mo. And this is something the Queen of Wands. No kumpiyansa, kailangan mo lakasan ng loob mo. Huwag kang mapanghinaan ng loob dito. There's a Seven of Pentacles. Ano man yung mga hinintay mo, pinundar mo, pinunla mo, makukuha mo, makakamit mo yan. No? There's something harvest moment. At the same time, consequences. Kaya magiging maingat ka about sa kalusugan mo, ha? Kung naging mahigpit ka sa sarili mo, no, magkakaroon ka na kung ano nararamdaman. Ibig sabihin, dahil yun sa inabuso mo yung sarili mo. There's an Ace of Wands, no? Magkakaroon ka ng mga new ideas, new plans. No, magiging masaya ang puso mo at isip mo dito. No, there's a Four of Pentacles for saving money, protection mo at pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo. Now, the way na hindi ka naman hindi sa pagiging kuripot, ha? Kailangan mo maring alagaan yung sarili mo at katawan mo dito. Kainin mo yung mga gusto mo, no? And there's a Ten of Pentacles. Magkakaroon ka ng pangmatagalan dito na kalusugan, maganda kalusugan, no? Magiging mahaba pa buhay mo dito, no? Hindi lang sa finances, hindi lang sa relasyon, magiging maayos ang kalagayan mo dito, no? Kaya kailangan proteksyonan mo yung sarili mo dito dahil walang ibang kakampi mo dito kundi sarili mo. So guys, let's see what is additional messages tayo pagdating naman tayo sa magical fire messages. So let's watch this. With the magical fire messages, let's see. And there's something let go. Na may mga bagay na kailangan mo na i-let go. Na kailangan mo pakawalan, bitawan. No, there's a let go. And of course, there's a birthday. Na ngayong birthday mo, maaaring masagot na lahat ng katanungan mo. And of course, this is something admit your true feelings to yourself. Na kailangan mo tanggapin sa sarili mo kung ano ba talaga yung nararamdaman mo. Now, just be authentic with yourself. No? So, let's see what is additional messages for a yin and yang oracle card. For yin and yang oracle card represent with a change. Na unti-unti na magbabago ang sitwasyon mo dito. Na ini-encourage ka dito na kailangan mo na baguhin ko naman yung mga bagay na nakagisnan mo, nakagawian mo. And there's a twin flame na maaaring twin flame kayo na person mo, soulmate kayo. And this is something control. No? Ibig sabihin, kontrolin mo yung bunganga mo, no? Yung mga information sa'yo, no? Huwag ka nagsasabi ng kung ano-ano sa ibang tao. Kasi maaaring nagagamit ka against sa'yo. What is the synchronicities? There's a success na magtatagumpay ka rin dito at the end of the time. And there's a father figure na maaaring meron father figure dito na maaaring gumagabay sa'yo. No, it's either ancestor guides, no? And this is something success na magtatagumpay ka. There's an harvest card for rebirth. No, ibabalik ulit yung katawan lupa mo or sigla mo dito. Some of you, magbuntis ka, magkaroon blessings. What is the romance stage for a mystic love oracle deck? And there's an I'm sorry na may hihingi ng tawad dito from the past. And this is something in music na makakatulong daw music sa'yo for healing energy. And this is something regret na may mga pagsisisi panghihinayang ka dito na nararanasan sa ngayon. So let's see what is additional messages with an angel's number. Represent 1. with an angel's number represent. There is something 333 with a support. No, sinusuportahan ka ng ating angel spirit. Seeing the angel's number 333 is a sign that it's time to focus inwards. Work on your skills, discover your talent, and use your imagination and unleash your inner ideas. Doing so will boost your self-esteem and sense of confidence. It does wonder for your sense of purpose and contribute to your community. No, sinusubarat ginagawa ka na ng ating gabay na alam mo dapat sa sarili mo ano ba yung purpose mo sa buhay. O parang pinapakita dito na kailangan mo maliwanagan. Ano ba yung kailangan mo gawin sa buhay mo? No, ano yung madadagdag mo at matutulong mo sa mga tao na sa paligid mo. Ibig sabihin dito guys, no, may mga tao sa paligid mo na negatibo at mga taong minaabuso ka. No, parang it's time na kailangan mo pakawalan at umalis at lumaya dyan. No, para mas-sink in at of course, makapag-isip sila na mali ang ginagawa nila, no, na kumbaga maaring ginagamit kanila, no, para sa kanilang sariling kapakanan. What is the money boom oracle then? Maaring provider ka dito, breadwinner. So there's something star power. Become an influencer of the company or earn fame, popularity. Step into the spotlight. No, ibig sabihin nito, papunta ka na para makilala, para hangaan, or you're also a role model. No, breadwinner ka talaga dito, I think so. And of course, there's a part of the life. Represent what? Represent guys with a part of the life. There's a victories. Diba may tagumpay, pasabog ka dito. I have grown with the universe, discovered the higher wisdom that lead me to victory. By directing my thoughts to clarity, I cultivate wisdom, love, and kindness with my soul. With this, I am free to embrace all the life offers, knowing that I am guided and supported by divine life. So, alam dito na sinusupport at ginagabayan ka ng ating angel spirit na maaaring magiging matagumpay ka at maaaring mamamayagpag ka. No? Makikilala ka sa larangan mo. Or maaaring aangat ka at uulad ka. No? At magiging maganda at magiging maayos ang estado ng buhay mo. And the shadow work represent what? The shadow work represent what? And this something, have courage. No? Para sinasabi dito na kailangan mo labanan ng takot at tanda mo. No? Stop hiding. Show up and let yourself be seen. Hayaan mo yung sarili mo makatuklas. Hayaan mo yung sarili mong makita. No? Ano ba talaga yung gusto mo sa buhay mo? Ano ba talaga yung purpose mo? Kung bakit lahat na nangyayari to. No, ini-encourage ka dito na kailangan mo labanan yung takot na yan at pangamba na yan. So, let's see what is the additional messages. With the what lies beneath with the hidden future. So, let's see here. Represent with getting room. Hotel, motel, suite, business, and pleasure. Ibig sabihin dito, maaaring nasa isang company, no? Maaaring nasa hotel ka, maaaring nagtatrabaho ka, no? Sa mga buildings, kumbaga may business, or something, a company, na maaaring ito na yung gateway mo para makilala at maaaring matuklasan ka. Or maaaring may mga bagay ma-discover ka sa sarili mo. No? What is additional messages with a clarifying for a love situation? Represent with a storm of love. Conflict is an opportunity for growth and change. No? Nasa isang karmic relationship ka. No? Na puno-puno ng komplikasyon na sinusubok ang inyong relasyon. No? There is a clarifying for a life situation. Oh my God. Wait lang guys. Okay. Nalaglag ang pala. So let's see. What is the clarifying for a life situation? Okay. So there's something, a gentle release. Na unti-unti mong pakawalan. Now, let yourself surrender to the flow of life and may mysterious career. Nakayaan mo siyang mangyari. Ito bagay sinasabi na unfolded naturally. No, the more na kinokontrol mo sa situation, the more siyang hindi papabor sa'yo. So, kailangan mo pakawalan at bitawan niya. No, hayaan mo mangyari at hayaan mo ipagkaloob ng atipong may kapal. So, let's see what is a pick a card, yes or no? So, guys, no, sila ang pipiliin mo sagot sa magiging tanong mo. So, kailangan mag-isip ka ng question mo para makakuha ka ng sagot with the 1, 2, 3. So, let's see and watch this. Let's start with the number 1. This is something a pick a card, yes or no? No, nakapag-isip ka na ba ng question mo, guys? Ito na. Umpisa na natin. Let's start with the number 1. There's something, guys, with a yes. Embrace new opportunities and fresh day begin. So, sige, tanggapin mo yung mga bagong oportunidad, bagong mga posibilidad na mangyari sa buhay mo dahil may bagong eksena, bagong simula. This is something a brand new beginning pagdating sa buhay mo. No? And then, of course, there's a number 2 with a no. Losing part of yourself, missing piece, gone away. No? May mga part na parang kumbaga nawala sa iyo, na parang may mga bagay na parang hindi ka na nababubuo, gano'n. May mga bagay na kulang sa iyo na kailangan mong hanapin. No? So let's see what is the digital messages with the number 3. There's a yes. You are the right of the time. Do it now, seize the day. No? Kumbaga na sa tamang panahon at tamang pagkakataon ka, gawin mo na ngayon. No? Kumbaga sinasabi ito na yung panahon at pagkakataon para kumilos ka, para magdesisyon ka. No, dahil mahaba pa yung panahon at mahaba pa yung araw. Kailangan mong magpursige para magtagumpay at para mapagtagumpayan mo ang gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of May 15 hanggang May 21 for the sign of Libra. Libra, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading namang nila at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit notification bell for more videos. Update ko, maraming salamat po. Sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads. So, pagpalain kayo. Nang Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig na guma po na nabiyayang manang balik sa inyo. Maraming salamat, see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.